In this video, let me show you how to fix Maya app not working. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you have turned off the developer mode within your device. So simply head over to the settings on your device, and depending upon your options, the developer mode should be mostly available within additional settings. If it is not, you can simply search it up on the search bar, and if you do see it, make sure you toggle it off. If the option of developer options is not visible, that simply means that the developer mode is not enabled within your device. Now, if this is not the case for you, then what you need to do secondly is make sure that you are not connected to any sort of VPNs or even ad blockers. If you are, make sure you disconnect. And lastly, what you can try out is just reinstall the application of Maya onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs or glitches which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. Now, even after trying all of these steps, the issue still persists. This is likely happening due to system maintenance. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.